Welcome to Apexes. We're diving into a critical topic that affects many households, the corrosion of water motors and its potential impact on the water supply. As we all know, metals corrode. The motor that pumps water into the tank is also made of metal. Usually, water is always available in the motor. We pump water into the tank using the motor, which is full of rust. If you fill the water tank regularly, it is not a big problem. But if you fill the tank after 2 to 3 days, the motor will be filled with rust. Due to the high water amount, we might not notice the horrible taste of rust. Typically, the capacity of the water tank is 500 liters, so there is a lesser chance of tasting rust. However, if we take some water, it may still have a rusty taste. Rusty water causes many diseases. The water motor can be repaired to remove rust. A pipe can be used to drain that water from the tank. In my house, we have changed it that way. We remove the water outside the tank for the first 2 minutes. This initial step helps flush out any stagnant water and reducing the chances of rust or contaminants entering your tank. If that is not possible, you can try this simple method. When the tank is empty, we turn on the water. You can fill the water for 5 minutes and add that water to water the plant, washing vehicles until the tank is empty. It cleans the rust in the tank. Then you can fill the tank for your daily needs. You can try this method and feel the difference. I wish you a peaceful and healthy life. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel to know more things like this.